The 5050 Florence Street facility is also the home to Hercules Steel Processing Division. The investments in their Monarch Stamco slitting line and the Redbud blanking line have increased the quality of their current HVAC product offering while improving the efficiency of the manufacturing process. These investments will also allow Hercules to expand beyond the HVAC market to sell slit coil and custom blank products into other industries.
Hercules buys steel direct from its steel mills and has the ability to process 60-inch wide steel into different sizes using its state-of-the-art high-speed slitting line. The line has the ability to produce multiple cuts ranging from 1 inch wide to 59.5-inch cuts. The steel travels at speeds up to 1,200 feet per minute. Our latest investment has been in our Redbud Industries precision blanking system. It allows us to take advantage of what we do well already in purchasing coils milled direct from our steel partners. The Redbud corrective leveling line gives Hercules the ability to produce a product that meets the industry's most strict standards. The Redbud line gives Hercules the capacity to process steel up to 72-inch wide and 10-gauge capacity.
So the commercial division started back at our production facility with the idea of producing a couple fittings and ductwork for small customers, and as the years have gone by, we've grown into now an 80,000 square foot manufacturing facility in which we can closely control our costs with the procurement of all of our raw materials from the steel mills, with railcar service, and with the addition of an automated welding machine and manufacturing our own spiral rings and so forth, we're able to complete a whole package for any ductwork system.
One of the advantages that Hercules does provide to its customer base is the ability to receive downloads directly from our customers. That allows us to ensure accuracy of the fabrication ticket and also to ensure that we're getting the product out on time every time.